So these are ring bending pliers, and they're one of my favourite things to use in the studio. And we want to protect our metal from the pliers a little bit. While they're brilliant to use, they can mark the metal. So by putting a few layers of masking tape on them, we're able to protect our metal a little bit better. So I've got my piece of wire and I'm just popping that in, and I'm starting to bend that. And then I open it up, move it along, bend it again. And I just keep doing that. It's not going to look like a beautiful circular shape. It's going to look a bit, rough, which is fine because we're not after a circle. We're actually after a bit of an oval shape. So sometimes it gets a little bit caught. I can take that. And just that last bit. So you'll get something that looks kind of like this, right? It's not a perfect circle, but we're going to then make those bits come down together. So I'm hammering this down now so that I can get the pieces, the two ends, to come together and join up. And then I'm just going to align these and make sure that they are in a straight line before we get ready to solder.